Yeah, so this lot is actually a little bit under an acre. This lot.
What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Ben the Realtor AZ here, and stay tuned as my clients come all the way down from Washington State and we head to Tucson, Arizona to check out new construction homes on acre lots. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ben Kensington, a licensed realtor in the state of Arizona with the eXp Realty and Kensington Properties. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. We are in Tucson, Arizona, and my clients are coming from the Pacific Northwest and Washington State in the Tacoma, Seattle area, okay? And they are new good friends of mine, my clients, Mr. and Mr. Flores. Mr. Flores, thank you for your service as well. Now, we're on a house hunt. We're in Tucson, Arizona, like I said, and we're looking for modern or contemporary. This is their style. They want to stay under an acre at around the closest they can get is 3,000 square feet. The house that we're going to look at today is a new construction home in Tucson, 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage, around 2,800 square feet. You can do structural upgrades and go bigger and more rooms and move things around. All right, you guys stay tuned to the end. I'm going to give you guys a price and a little bit more info. Enjoy the video.
Whatever kind of flooring this is.
Yeah, keeping, there's a barbecue area to the right, grass turf, and then the travertine and the tiles.
So the wall though is like immediate wall, it's not around your
Entire lot? No.
Yeah.
So,
or I mean back of your, plot.
yeah, so this lot is actually a little bit under an acre. This lot goes farther back, and then those homes lots kind of go extend too. So that phase and this.
We would want to probably make this office.
Yeah.
into
Very thick on the house.
Yeah.
That is cool.
So I'm just gonna walk you through these.
Okay.
The tuck-feed ceiling is standard. These are tenant here. We offer up to fall. Fireplace is optional. That's one out of the different 3 options we offer. Yep, that's great. The sliding doors that you see in here, the 3 panels, that's standard. They're in all of our plans.
Okay. Do they fully open up? Or?
Yeah, so they stack. We offer up to 4 panels, which deletes this window right there.
Yeah.
This whole thing can open up. And then you got your kitchen to the right. This is the quartz.
I don't like the kitchen cabinet.
Well, you can design your own thing if you don't like these.
Wait, is this quartz?
This is quartz. The standard we give you is granite.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the quartz be basically an additional.
Yeah. So the different granite tops we offer, and then it would just be like a level 1 or level 2 different upgrade.
Okay. Ooh, you guys have the wolf. Is that an upgrade as far as the quantity?
Yeah. So this is our model. So everything you do see, we're
Okay.
showcasing a lot of different things.
No, that's an awesome brand. That's fine. Because we have KitchenAid in our current home that we're about to get kicked out of by the new owners.
Oh, gotcha.
Well, we sold our home, so we're just going to
Congrats.
close. But thank you.
Yeah.
But yeah, wolf appliances.
Yeah.
Yeah, so our standard is gas stainless steel LG appliances, and then if you want to change it up, you can. They're all gas. Yeah. Everything but washer, dryer.
guys, I'm back, and let's start with the price. The price is going to be from anywhere from $650,000 upwards to $730,000, and that's minus the lot premium. Remember, you guys, you have to pay for the lot. Sometimes builders include the lot with the price. Okay, so you can do structural upgrades. As you guys saw, this is a beautiful home, right? It sits right under an acre. You can go from 3 bedrooms. You can convert some of the other rooms, like the teen room, the game room, to a bedroom, make it 4 bedrooms instead of 3-car, 2-car. So many options you have, but you got to check with that builder and make sure they do structural upgrades. But stay tuned, guys. This is just the first part of the series of Arizona House Hunters. My clients will continue to look and find the perfect house for them, and we'll stay on that journey. Thanks for you guys for tuning in and watching. Hit the like button, hit the share button as well. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out. Thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate? Feel free to reach out to me via phone, text, or email. See you guys next time.